We also enter into a permanent parenting plan, which is a document that, I hate to say divide, but it allocates visitation and spending time with the party's children.
So, and with the parenting plan, I guess, on an irreconcilable differences divorce, I mean, how detailed does that get into?
It's fairly detailed. What parties need to understand is that if you've got a 2-year-old child, no matter how good your attorney is, no plan that you make today is going to be good in 18 years or in 16 years when that child's 18. But we're going to give it our best shot to make it something that both parties can agree on. I tell people that it's a fallback position. Certainly, if they can work together in the best interest of their children, then they need to do that. They need to make some amends and stray from the plan. The plan is their fallback, where if they agree that they can agree on something, then they need something concrete to go back and look at. And that's what the parenting plan does. It'll spell out where that child will be on Christmas Eve in 2020. It'll say where we're going to spend spring break, summer, what days, what times. It also gives the parents' Bill of Rights to each party, which is rights that each party have with regards to those children. It's things such as access to medical records, report cards, the right to be free of unwarranted derogatory remarks in the presence of the child. It's just basically a guidebook on this is how we've agreed together that we're going to raise these children apart. And that's important because you really want to try and settle one of these divorces. You don't want a judge, and certainly I don't think a judge wants to decide where your kids are going to be spending Christmas Eve for the next, until they turn 18. That's something that you and your spouse really need to try and decide upon yourself. And the law understands that, so they do as much as they can to try and give you opportunities and try and push you into settling.